Do you know you can spend millions and build that your dream house in Nigeria and it ends up becoming a glorified oven because of your window choice? Choosing the wrong window in your building can trap heat in your house faster than Lagos traffic traps commuters on Friday night. Today, we are going to solve the ultimate building debate: casement window versus sliding window. And I'm going to tell you today why sliding window is the best option for you in Nigeria, and it will save you millions of naira in stress and in cash. Now, in this building content creation industry, there's one content creator that I love so much, Folajomi. Folajomi made a video praising casement window over sliding window, and my head burst. Fola, your maths is not mathing in this one. I'm here to prove you wrong.
Don't want peace.
Folajomi tried to scare us by telling us that sliding windows allow mosquito, flies, and even rats and even rats into your home because it does not seal properly.
No matter how tight the fit is, sliding windows leak air, which is a good thing, yes. But those flies, mosquitoes, and even mice would make you wish you did not do.
My hair burst as I hear that one. I just weak like say I drink Bayeso Ogogoro. Because what is that? There is no truth in that statement. Please, if you live in a house with sliding windows like I do, come to the comment section and tell me whether I'm telling the truth or not. Every sliding window that I know comes with a permanently fixed mosquito gauze. That mosquito gauze is your savior in Nigeria if you're building a house. It prevents mosquito, flies, rats don't even use windows. It prevents mosquito, flies, and other insects from entering your house the way condom prevents spam from entering their last bus stop.
He shock you.
In fact, that permanently fixed mosquito gauze is the best thing you can do for your family if you have kids. I have a neighbor who stays in a house with casement window, a family of 6. This my neighbor has confirmed to me that he considers malaria as the 7th family member in his house because of the way a casement window works. A casement window opens outward, so you cannot put a mosquito net permanently outward just the way you put for sliding windows. So you have to put the mosquito net after the window, so it slides. You slide it in, open the window, slide it to the other side, open the other window, then slide it again to close it. You see the normal different processes you have to do, and that sliding makes that mosquito net get damaged based on wear and tear. And God forbid you have children in the house, they would slide that thing, leave it open, and leave the house for you. You will come back in your house in the evening and find out that some mosquitoes and insects are sitting down in the parlor with you watching the TV. The money you will save treating your children and the stress, it's better you just do sliding window and leave casement window alone. Another lie wey Folajomi tell wey run my belle for like 4 days is that he said casement windows allow 100% of the air to enter into your room.
Another advantage, once you open a casement window, you get 100% airflow. The entire opening is clear. But a sliding window, maximum 66%, most times 50%, because one panel always blocks the other one.
What? On paper, this looks like it's true, but it is a scam. Na lie. Let me tell you why it's a lie. The way a casement window works is that it opens outward and remains perpendicular to the wall. So that means airflow coming from the sides are being pushed away. It's like a spoiler of a car to push air up so that the car will go down, or like a sail of a wind to stop air so that it will move forward. So it's preventing air from entering. The only air that will enter your house is the one coming straight towards your window. So if the air is blowing from this direction, it's not going to be entering your house. It's in fact will be pushing it away from your house. While sliding window, that 50 or 66% of the space that it leaves, whichever direction the air is coming from, it will just gingerly enter the room and cool you down. Nonetheless, whether it's casement window or sliding window, ensure you have a cross ventilation. That's how air will always enter your room comfortable enough for you to survive in it. Beyond the pest and the airflow, in Nigeria, Okay, take for instance, I went to a friend's house. He lives in a casement window, and it was about to rain. And some of this rain where they come with strong wind here. And the next thing I heard, I was beginning to enjoy the air coming in because I nearly fainted because airflow was reduced. I was beginning to enjoy it. And the next thing I heard, hey, Jimmy, go and lock the window. Hey, you go, have you locked this window? Before I knew what was happening, I heard wham! One window actually broke. You know why? The casement window relies on friction to keep your window open. There's no wedge. So if a strong wind blows and your house, you have been using it for like 5 years, a few years, 1 year to 5 years, that friction that is holding your wind won't be holding it that strongly anymore. So any strong wind that comes, bam, will slam the window. And you might end up repairing window every rainy season in Nigeria.
It is finished.
Hi, Fola, that video wey you make no be at all. I no agree. I no agree. The final lie that Fola told that made me think of my life. Why did I spend my data watching that video? Was that he said casement windows are 20% more expensive than sliding window.
What about the cost difference? Casement window costs about 20 to 30% more than sliding windows.
Please, this one is very easy to find out. If you see any person that makes aluminium windows, ask the person the price. Compare 4x4, that 4 feet by 4 feet window sliding, and compare 4 feet by 4 feet window, casement window. And if you make casement windows or aluminium windows, come to the comment section and comment whether I'm telling lies or not. People might even patronize you when they know that if you put your price there. All right. Now, in the real world market price, 4x4 sliding window could cost you, if the person wants to help you, it costs between 45,000 to 60,000 naira for one. While casement window 4x4 cost around 85 to 130,000 naira for one, which means casement window costs between 80 to 120% more than sliding window. So which means if you choose to use casement window over sliding window, you are going to spend 100 to 120% of the money you are going to budget for making your window. The only advantage casement window has over sliding window is that from afar, casement window looks more beautiful on a house than sliding window. However, it is completely impractical. Sliding window is the best option if you are living in Nigeria. Now, do you know where they borrowed casement windows from? From houses built in United States. Mr. Copy Builder, as you are building your house and you are using casement window, do you know one thing that is not relevant in United States? It is malaria. The malaria that is killing millions of people in Nigeria. That's what you are inviting in your house by using casement windows. And for those of you that claim that casement window is better than sliding window because when you close it, it seals properly and air and dust does not enter inside, that is not an advantage. Your house is not supposed to be airlocked. If it's airlocked, it's a health hazard to you. You wake up with feeling headache. It's a health hazard. And if you are preventing dust and the next morning you open your window, is dust a joke to you? You think dust flies only at night? Please, if you live in a casement window house and you live in a sliding window house, come to the comment section and comment what your experience with these casement windows are, because I don't see the point. I'm not going to build any house now for myself and use casement window. It is more expensive, it gets damaged easier, it lets mosquitoes enter into your house. What is it? Is it that I want people to feel happy when they see my house? Oh, it looks fine, look at the casement window. Meanwhile, me that is living in the house is suffering because malaria is the 7th member of my house. Does it make sense? Does it? Let me see you in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, it's bye for now.